Hello everyone, me here Fatma. Today we discuss about the topic enzyme inhibitor. Today let's start. What is enzyme inhibitor? Stopping enzyme action by the help of chemical substance is known as the enzyme inhibitor. Enzyme inhibitor means chemical substance which can react with enzyme but is not changed into product. Block the active site temporarily or permanently. Many drugs like chemicals and poisons like cyanide, venom, antibodies, antimetabolites are inhibitor of the enzyme in the nervous system. Types of inhibitors. There are two types of enzyme inhibitors, reversible and irreversible. In reversible, there are three main types: competitive, non-competitive, and mixed. Irreversible inhibitors. Irreversible inhibitor means combined with the functional group of the amino acid, forming covalent bonds or physically block. For example, nerve gases and pesticides containing organophosphorus. Combined with the serine residues in the enzyme acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase is the cholinergic enzyme primarily found at postsynaptic neuromuscular junction in muscles and nerve. My dears, you may see in this diagram neurons, acetylcholine, muscles, acetylcholine esterase inhibitors, and acetylcholine esterase. My dear ones, like competitive and in reversible, there is no further explanation. But in reversible, there is two main types: competitive and non-competitive. Reversible inhibitor means dissociate very rapidly from its target enzymes. Means इसमें हमारे पास weak bond बनता है. Weak bond with the enzyme, their effect can be neutralized completely or partially by adding substrate. Factors कौन से होंगे हमारे पास इसमें? Inhibition is not overcome by increasing the concentration of the substrate. Bind the active site or allosteric site. Allosteric site means the site that allow molecules to either activate or inhibit the enzymes. Do all enzymes have allosteric site? Not all. Enzymes possesses site of allosteric binding. Those they are called allosteric enzymes. My dear ones, last line, concentrate. Allosteric enzymes typically comprise multiple protein subunit. Example of reversible inhibitor. रिवर्सेबल इनहिबिटर में हमने क्या देखा कि वो वीक बॉन्ड्स हैं विद एंजाइम्स. ठीक, अब वो वीक बॉन्ड्स क्या कर रहे हैं? वो कम्प्लीटली और पार्शली एडिंग कर रहे हैं सबस्ट्रेट को. अब इसमें हमारे पास दो टाइप्स आती हैं: कम्पिटेटिव इनहिबिटर्स, नॉन कम्पिटेटिव, मिक्स्ड. कम्पिटेटिव इनहिबिटर की एग्जांपल हमारे पास ये है कि एंजाइम जो है वो सेसिनेट कर रहा है डिहाइड्रोजिनेज को. अब डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन जो हो रही है वो अकर कर रही है, रिएक्शन जो अकर हो रहा है प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मुलेट को कर रहा है, इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द एंजाइम. यू मे से इन दिस बी पार्ट, एंजाइम को मेलिनेट कर रहा है, आल्सो बाइंड, मेलिनेट आल्सो बाइंड्स टू द एक्टिव साइट ऑफ सेसिनेट डिहाइड्रोजिनेज. इन दिस केस हाउएवर नो सब्सिक्वेंट रिएक्शन अकर while melinate remains bound to the enzyme. Further, competitive inhibitor, non-competitive and mixed. In competitive inhibitor means substrate in this structure. Therefore, they are selected by the binding site but are unable to activate the catalytic site of the enzyme. In previous slide, we discussed about the competitive inhibitor like succinic acid is catalyzed by succinic dehydrogenase into formic acid, but malonic acid completely acts as an inhibitor for this reaction. Non-competitive inhibition and mixed inhibitor. Is penicillin a reversible inhibitor? क्या पेंसिलिन जो है वो रिवर्सिबल इनहिबिटर है? Penicillin is reversibly inhibits the enzymes transpeptidase by reacting with the serine residue in the transpeptase. This reaction is irreversible and so the growth of the bacteria cell wall is तो जो उसकी ग्रोथ जो उसकी नशुमा होती है बैक्टीरिया सेल वॉल की वो रुक जाती. इनहिबिट मीन रुकावट डालने वाले. What is Km and Vmax? Most important short question, most important. Vmax is the maximum rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction when the enzyme is saturated by the substrate. Km Vmax क्या है, वो मैक्सिमम रेट ऑफ एन एंजाइम है, बट Km क्या है, मेजर ऑफ हाउ इजीली द एंजाइम्स कैन बी सैचुरेटेड बाय द सबस्ट्रेट. Km and Vmax are constant for a given temperature and pH are used to characterize enzyme. My dear ones, Km and Vmax जो है हमारे पास constant है, ठीक है, टेम्परेचर में एंड pH में. pH means power of hydrogen are used to characterize enzyme. In next, and this is the most important diagram regarding to the competitive and non-competitive inhibitors. आप ये देखें कि Vmax जो हमारे पास है स्लोप में, competitive inhibitor में स्लोप में Km Vmax is changed. Intercept on ordinate I Vmax is not changed. इसमें I Vmax change नहीं हुआ. But as non-competitive inhibitor में same Km different Vmax. Like उसमें हमारे पास easily changed हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, as also changed. But in competitive inhibitor में हमारे पास change नहीं हो रहा. आप ये देखें कि रेड पॉइंट में लिखा हुआ है कि सेम Vmax हमने क्या देखा था कि मैक्सिमम रेट ऑफ एन एंजाइम, बट Km हमने क्या देखा था कि इज मेजर ऑफ हाउ इजीली द एंजाइम्स कैन बी सैचुरेट. Thank you so much. Any query you may ask. In the end of the lecture, I discussed that एलोस्टेरिक साइड क्या होते हैं, कम्पिटिटिव क्या होते हैं, नॉन कम्पिटिटिव क्या होते हैं, व्हाट इज इनहिबिटर टाइप्स क्या होते हैं, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, राइट नोट ऑन एंजाइम इनहिबिटर. Subscribe my channel. If any query, if any question you may ask in this section box. Thank you so much.